Hi, my name is Amanda Freire, and I'm presenting a layout on Tableau that will help potential customers find the right Airbnb for them regarding the greater New York City area. Personally, I believe this presentation will allow customers to look at all the aspects they want to see when potentially renting an Airbnb in an easier fashion. First, I found a dataset that gave me information such as host ID, host since, name of listing, neighborhood, and so on. From this data, I was able to create a multitude of charts and tables. First, I will show you how to make this chart. You will first need to add a sheet by pressing this button. Once you have a new sheet, you can drag room type into the columns and price by night into the rows. This will give you an automatic chart. You want to change this chart by clicking Show Me and then clicking the tree maps. Then you will want to drag the room type into the colors section. This will change the box colors to display the different room types as shown in the legend. The box size will then show you the sum of the prices for each. Then you can change the chart title by double-clicking on it. When changing the chart title, you can change the font color, and the font size. Once you do this, you can change the sheet name by double-clicking on it as well. Now I will present my Tableau story, finding the perfect Airbnb in New York City. To start, we have the prices based on host start date. If we click on 2014, we can see that the sum of the price is a lot bigger than in 2008. We can assume this is because there are less hosts who have been around since 2008. Next, we have prices based on location. A map of New York is displayed. In this map, there are bubbles that display Airbnbs in New York City. The different colors show the 5 different neighborhoods, while the sizes of the bubbles show the prices per night. We can see from this, Manhattan prices tend to be larger because there are more Airbnbs available in this area than, say, the Bronx. Next, in the Tableau story, we have a pie chart of the number of reviews per location. The different colors represent different neighborhoods, while the size of each represent the total number of reviews. This chart shows Manhattan having the highest and Staten Island having the lowest number of reviews. Next, we have a dashboard comparing the map seen earlier and the pie chart just seen. These will help compare prices and reviews of neighborhoods. With these two charts assembled together, customers can easily see that Manhattan has the greatest number of Airbnbs, and prices in Manhattan tend to be higher. They are also now aware that Airbnbs in Manhattan will tend to have more reviews. They can also see the opposite in places such as the Bronx and Staten Island. Next, we have a tree map showing the prices based on room types. This chart allows customers to see that if you want to rent an apartment, the prices will most likely be higher than renting a shared space. Next, we have examples of the room types. In this dashboard, the chart from the previous slide is displayed, along with 3 pictures of the different room types. This will allow customers to see what they have to spend to get a preferred room style. In the next slide of the story, we have a chart that shows the property types versus the number of beds in each. From this chart, you can see that apartments tend to have the most number of beds compared to other Airbnb styles. The next slide shows property type and their prices. By looking at this bar graph, customers can see that apartments tend to be the priciest compared to other types of Airbnbs. In this next slide, we compare the number of beds per property type and the price per property type. This will help customers understand that if they want more rooms, the price will most likely be higher and an apartment type will most likely be the best option. Next, we have a bar chart showing the names of the listings in New York City at the bottom and the number of reviews on the side. If you keep scrolling to the left, all of the listings will be there. This will help customers search through the listings by being able to look at the ones with the most reviews first. Lastly, in the Tableau story, I paired the previous bar graph with the Airbnb website. This way, after customers have looked through the Tableau story and end with the reviews, they can easily access the Airbnb website and search right from the Tableau story while looking at which apartment have the most views. Thank you for watching my project. I hope you enjoy.